It's one of my favorite things to do in PE.
I just look forward to it every single year because it's like all the lights and everything he puts up is really fun. That was a good bowl, Kygo. Our PE teacher turns on these lights and we bowl.
I like that we get to bowl, and I don't really bowl often, and doing it at school is sort of fun. Even if school is supposed to be a learning place.
It's actually really fun. Yahoo! He teaches us how to do a bunch of fun things.
So we're learning how to hold the ball correctly.
How to hold it or how to throw it.
You have to be fluid because if you go like this, it's just gonna go whee!
Your approach to when you move up to the line.
Left foot, then right, and then left.
Making sure kids are learning how to roll the ball.
Crouch down to like roll the ball.
So a lot of hand-eye coordination works into bowling.
That was a good one.
I mean, we're learning how, like, kind of like responsibility-ish, putting the pins back.
So one person is at the pins and they set up the pins, and when the person rolls, they take out the pins that fell and leave the pins that are still up so the other person can roll.
Working as a team, it's really fun.
You gotta work together to like build the pin up. It's like, you feel very together. Oh, nice job.
It's fun. Kids look forward to it. I had a kindergartner last week tell me that this is the best day ever and that I'll never forget this. So it's things like that make me want to continue to keep doing this with them.
Yeah, it's fun. I love cosmic bowling.